They say time builds trust, but not with us. We've been locked in since before time mattered. Same age, same block, same fights. We didn't choose this bond, it chose us. From scraped knees to basic training, from tears to takeoff, there's no bond like day one bonds. And now we fly, but we never flew alone. Y'all gonna see these birds in the sky. I see symbols, proof that real ones ride the wind together. So call it what you want, cousins, soldiers, brothers. To me, they day ones, and we built for this.
You was there when I had none. We've been locked since day one. Came up same sun. Still ride when the pain comes. We don't break, we don't run. This bond can't be undone. If I fly, we all fly. If I fall, you still ride. Same shoes, same blood, same crew, same shot, same cuts, same scars. Now we flying past stars. Did time stay tight? Lost sleep, earn flight. No cap, all hard. We've been real from the start. Big birds in the sky, felt that we don't lie. Seen doubt, seen hate, but day ones never flayed. Flew out past the noise, same bond, grown boys. Cameras up, skylit, family over, that's it. You was there when I had none. We've been locked since day